Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to create a frequency distribution using StatCrunch. In StatCrunch, if you have a representative set of data that you can start with, here I'm using information from the presidents. Go to Stat, go to Tables, go to Frequency, and select the column that you want to create a frequency table for. And let's do age. We're going to select compute. Now normally when you do a frequency distribution you have to decide on the width of the frequencies that the columns that you want to use. However, it's not going to give us that choice. So we're going to click on frequency here and we're going to compute, and then StatCrunch is going to say, whoa, it's a lot of stuff. Do you want to turn on bidding for this procedure? And we're going to click OK. And it will automatically select the bin sizes for you. And so we have our frequency count of the total, and then we have our frequency distribution. If we want to do a cumulative frequency distribution, all we have to do is select cumulative frequency here and do the same thing over again. Click compute. Again, we want to turn on binning for this procedure, and it will give us a cumulative frequency distribution. If we would like to do a relative frequency distribution, all we have to do is select relative frequency, and this will give us percent of the total for each one of those classes. Again, it'll ask us if we want to turn on bidding, and of course we do. And here it'll give us the relative frequency. Now it writes these as decimals, but then you would automatically, well, you would change those to percents. Thank you very much, and this concludes on how to create a frequency, cumulative frequency, and relative frequency distribution.